And one thing that I'll be interested to see when I get these ones on, I know that the Dash F models that they have, which is just for rapid shutdown, they're noisy.
Really?
They put out like this high pitch whine
Hmm.
when the sun's hitting those panels. I don't understand it. And I think even right here, somebody was commenting on it, the coil whine, because that's kind of what it sounds like. Now, if it's on a roof, you're not going to hear it. The only reason I hear them is because they're on my ground array that I walk by every day. Um, if my chickens start and ducks start going cross-eyed, it's I mean, not much I can do about that. Just don't tell my wife. I'm trying to go through and see if you guys had some comments. So yeah, here's one. No optimizers for single reason, more cost and more components to break down. And he says he understands the shading problem. Retro Z Machine says that he doesn't have optimizers. My Solar Addiction. This is a channel where he actually is very lucky because I think his wife told him to build another array, which just kind of blew my mind. But then his neighbors started cutting down the trees that were blocking that array. So and I think he's going to be doing a video on it. And, sorry if I'm kind of sharing things ahead of time, Dave, but it's something that we could always only hope for is having our neighbors just of themselves cutting stuff down that's blocking our arrays.
Thanks for watching this clip from Unplugged Live. If you want to see the rest of the full hour show, check it out right here. We do it live every single Thursday night. Catch us live and be part of the conversation.